Wolf. I don't know him. I have read from some book. I don't know much about this physicist. He is a physicist who is saying that I want to think of this statement, I am this whole universe. He doesn't say that I am the creator of the universe. I am this whole universe is the initial postulate of quantum thinking. That means if you really want to understand quantum mechanics, for which Richard Feynman has said that nobody understands quantum mechanics. And if you want to understand quantum mechanics, you must start with this postulate. Believe yourself is appearing as everything whatever is observable. So, what I want to conclude now is that the origin of the universe is not mysterious at all. The mystery of the origin of the universe has been solved by quantum physics. Not by deliberately inquiring about the origin of the universe, but merely by understanding the nature of the universe as revealed by modern physics. If you can understand that the universe is four-dimensional, you will never ask the question how the universe was created. You will realize that it is the self which appears in the form of this universe. Subject and object are one. The barrier between subject and object cannot be said to have broken as a result of the recent experiences in modern sciences, but this barrier does not exist, says Erwin Schrödinger in his book which he wrote on life itself. He also says that consciousness is singular in nature. I would like to tell you one thing about Schrödinger, that Schrödinger was the person who had thorough study of Upanishad of India. And I have got a book, World of Physics, that is containing the article written by Schrödinger, in which he has mentioned that the Indian philosophy which says that Atma is equal to Brahma is the key concept which is required by the physicists to understand the nature of the universe as it is revealed by quantum physics.